Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Let's Explore Tech. It's been quite a long time. I have not posted anything here. Right now, I'm back with one important artificial intelligence tool, which is called as Report Genie AI. So let's know about it. What is this Report Genie AI? Generally, teachers after unit test or term examination or half early, they have to make remark report of each student and then get it checked by the coordinators or vice principal, and then finally they have to write it in the report card. And at times it has to pass certain level to get it checked for, like positive comments are there or negative comments are given or spelling errors or minor grammatical errors, and then it, after crossing so many level, it comes back to the teachers to get it rewritten. So to avoid all these tedious processes, we have an artificial intelligence tool which is called as Report Genie. So teachers can use this to save time and automate the task of creating student remarks. It can gather and analyze data from various sources such as student performances, assignment submissions, and test scores and generate personalized report for each student. This can make, or else you can say, help teachers to uh, be more informed about their teaching and provide students with a clear understanding of their progress and areas for improvement. So now this video, I'm going to explore the incredible capabilities of Report Genie AI tool. And literally for teachers, this tool is a game changer. So the teachers can streamline their reporting processes, gain valuable insights, and boost their productivity. Now, in this video, we will cover the key features of Report Genie AI tool, real life examples of its application, and also how to get started with the tool and tips and tricks for maximizing its potential. So, join me and take the first step towards becoming a reporting wizard with Report Genie AI tool. So, hit the play button right now. So to get started, go to Google and type Report Genie AI. And then when you get the first option, AI School Report Writer for Teachers, click the same. So the interface will look like that with some details about the tool. It is built by teachers and it is very simple to export, that is download. And then it gives you 100% unique comments and none of the student data is stored. It is mobile friendly. That means teachers can use it with the help of a mobile also. And it has an option for multilingual comments. So to begin with, you need to actually log in with your Facebook ID or Google ID, or you can go for signing up and get into the tool. So let me check logging in. So I have already logged in. So the interface will come up. Let us check what does it look like. How does it look like? See here. So it has an option for writing the class and the name of the child, and also to give the feedback in different categories. So you have an option for classwork, class test, homework, work ethic, participation, and organization. Now you can go for specific quick comments also. That is, sometimes some child's handwriting might be poor. You can say poor handwriting, need to improve. You can go for latecomer. So all those things you can add up. Now let us like you can choose the language here. Some foreign languages are available, so you can choose the language here, and you can choose the number of words, the report which you need. like 100 words, 150, 200, 500, that way. All right. Now let us check. Let me go for a demo. Let me write the name of the child, Ayushi. Sorry, I need to write the class here. So let me write the class here. Might be 9th standard, and then go for name, that is Ayushi can be written here, and then the pronouns, whether if it is a boy you need to write, go for he or him, right? Then your feedback category here is, let me write classwork, okay. Class test, it is good. Homework, good. Work ethic, excellent. Participation, good. Organization, okay. Work ethic also good. Now, I just want to write here, handwriting needs to be improved. I can click it. It comes here, latecomer, I can click it. Now, I have chosen for 100 words. You can choose as many. Now I'm giving this, clicking the submit button, that is write report. Now when I'm submitting write report, like, see, within a blink of an eye, it has given a proper report, unique report. Aisha, student with great potential. Class test homework have been consistently of a high standard. She has demonstrated a good work ethic in the classroom. Active participant. Organization skill need to be improved. Handwriting could benefit from some practice. See, each and everything is covered. Now you can save it, use it later on. You can copy and paste it on your report remark sheet. So this is how this works. So it is so simple to work, one thing. Second, to conclude with, it can be a valuable tool for teachers looking to streamline their report writing processes, and they can gain quite a lot of valuable insights also. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something new. So click the button, like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.